Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe Okra 65. Items required for this recipe: rice flour, corn flour, peanut, green chilli, curry leaves, chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Take 250 grams of okra. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder and mix it well. Add little bit of water and mix it uniformly. And rest it for 20 minutes. Keep the pan on the stove and heat the oil for deep fry. Drop the okra pieces into the oil and fry until golden brown color on medium flame. Take 1 cup of raw peanuts and fry into the oil and keep it aside. Fry green chilies and some curry leaves. Okra 65 is ready. Now I am going to add some red green chili and curry leaves. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen.